Hello! Here you will see the testing of a 1 year working solar panel. For safety, I always use gloves as these ones that protect the short circuits. Now, I will show you the outcome of this panel to validate the materials I used building it 1 year ago. There is some dust, but I clean it. Today is 23rd of June, so one of the best days to solar output in the summer. It's starting to feel and be a little bit warm, so it will be interesting to see its performance. Please check the other videos where you can see how I made this solar panel. In general, it is made of 36 Sunpower monocrystalline solar cells. In terms of voltage in open circuit, it measures 23.41 volts. The unity is in volts as it is measured in this multimeter. And if I connect here these two cables and short circuit the panel and measure it, the current value is 9.7 amperes, 9.6 amperes, as it is seen on the multimeter. This is the circuit made to test. Like I made in the last video, now I use my grid tie to really check the outcome of the panel. Now the voltage value is 17.48 volts. This multimeter is connected to the grid tie inverter that reads the DC current converted from the solar panel to AC and injects it into the current as I already explained it in my last video. Now, measuring the current, the value is 8.75 amperes. That's the performance on a typical summer day. Again, the voltage is 17.78 volts. These are the average voltage and current values on a typical summer day. It means after a few seconds after turning it on, we have an output of 17.78 multiplying by 8.75, roughly 156 watts. Letting it pass a few minutes and measuring it again, the voltage is 16.34 volts and current 9.42 amperes. As you can see in a new test, 9.40 and 9.41 amperes, and the voltage is 16.32 volts. It means roughly 153 watts of power. In our last video, we measured it and had 116 watts. And that's it for this video. If you like our videos and want to buy the materials used, order through the links in the video description down below. Support us and read our site at itisonpoint.com. Bye!